Once I was traveling with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he said, "O Mughira, take this container of water." I took it, and Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam went far away till he disappeared. He answered the call of nature and was wearing a Syrian cloak. He tried to take out his hands from its sleeves, but it was very tight, so he took out his hands from under it. I poured water, and he performed ablution like that for salat and passed his wet hands over his khuf, that is leather socks, and then offered salat. Al-Hadith Bukhari Sharif, book number 1, hadith number 359.